Task 1 for the Ready to Go Orienteering Resource Pack is Matching Symbols Relay. This task teaches them some of the symbols and some of the colours that are used in our orienteer maps. So what I've done is I've set it up for 3 teams behind me. So along this is the start line, and then this is where they retrieve the items as they go through the task. They'll start with a map legend, and their map legend stays here on the start line. They'll get a map symbol card, so they compare the symbol to their legend, find what the corresponding word for it is, and then they run through the retrieval line to take that word back. When they get back to the start, they flip the card over, they'll see there's a new symbol on the back of it, and then they'll get their teammate to do the same. So at the end of the task I like to check for learning. So I'll pick one team at a time and I'll ask them to name the symbol for me. So I'll hold up the symbol, get them the colour out, then I'll move on to team number 2 and ask them what's that, and then team number 3. And we'll go through a couple of them then just to check that the stuff is actually sinking in with them. A variation from it, or maybe a progression on from it, is to give each person a map, and we'll go on a map walk and see can they tick off the map symbols in their map legend as we move around. Another variation of map symbol relay is symbol bingo. We're going to start from a central location. I've got some map legends left out there and they stay there. But what I've done around the yard is I've placed a number of these little standees of map symbols and colours. So what I'll do is I'll call out one of these symbol names and they'll have to go and find the corresponding symbol. So I might call out man-made objects and they go and we're looking for this one. Or I might call out a stone wall and they go and looking for this one. So they've got to retrieve the correct one and bring it back to us. They get a point each for each correct one.